Hi there, my name is Enid and I am an independent Norwick sales consultant. And today I want to talk to mothers and teachers out there who are dealing with children. So many things can happen to our children, but the most important thing is chemicals. We want to be careful with residue that can cause our children harm, because in 26 seconds, any residue from any chemical will actually get into the children's bloodstream. It can get into our bloodstream. So we have to be careful. Today I'm going to do a demonstration with Glow Germ. I'm just going to spray a little bit on the table, and I want to show you how well these products can pick them up. Now these products are antibacterial, which I used to use them years ago. But as of last year, I stopped using them and I started using the EnviroCloth. The EnviroCloth is a microfiber cloth with silver in it. It's called Backlock. Silver kills bacteria and any germ, and it picks up so easily. It picks up for 98% clean. This one is already moist, and they actually come in different colors. So I love my pink. So what I want to do now is I'm going to show the Glow Germ, and we're going to put it on the counter. Pretend it's some type of germ or some type of bacteria, and then you have to clean the counter. So because of the chemical reactions from these products, 26 seconds and gets into our bloodstream, I don't want it. I really don't. I haven't used these products, and I have no intentions of using them. So I have the Glow Germ on the table. I'm going to use this one here. Okay, let's see how well this cleans now. And I'm going to put the black light so you can see. Okay? Alright. You can see it's not really cleaning. It's a lot of residue. You see? A lot of residue. So let's put this over here. And I'm going to use the next one. I'm still getting residue on it. Do you see that? There's residue on the table. Alright, so let's go ahead and do another one, but I'm going to take this off. Look at this. The residue is on my hands. You see that? It's glowing like crazy. So let's go ahead and take these off. And I want to show you how well the Microsoft works. I'm going to fold it up into my normal 3 and 4. Look at that. It's right there, but let me finish wiping a little bit more. I missed a few spots. There you go. It is all clean. Lights, please. So you see, look at this. It's on here. Look at that. You see it? Do you see it? That's why it's so important that we protect our children. Teachers and mothers, please. Stop using these harsh chemicals on the counter so you have residue for your children to play with. They put their hands in their mouths. We are to protect our children, and I pray that you will call me so I can show you the demonstration. Let me come to your house so this way I can show you how to use it. My name is Enid. I would love to hear from you. Please get back with me. Thank you.